today I am in Castries St Lucia. It's my very first day in the city and I just landed at this very beautiful spot. So it's the ocean that extends this way. You can see the bridge over there and then it goes like into a sort of lagoon, and behind me is a really nice park, a public one called Serenity Park, and it's actually quite serene with a water fountain in the middle. Serenity Park. I honestly always love parks that are in the middle of the city. And this one is quite pretty. Don't you agree? I'm already loving Castries, but let's go and see some of it. Are these fridge magnets?
Yeah, magnets. All this now.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, thank you. And as you can see, there is a cruise ship in town, but it's probably about to leave maybe 2 hours from now. But yeah, if you really want to tour the Caribbean in one go, you can board a cruise ship. And I have seen a cruise ship in every island I've been to, so you're gonna be stopping on all of them and experiencing them for a day. Personally, I'd like to be in a place for more than a day, so a cruise is not my thing. But if it's your thing, hey, you're not judging, you do that. I can see the rain coming down on those mountains, so I'm probably gonna rush to a restaurant somewhere along this the sea. What is it called? This boulevard, whatever it is, before I get rained on, because I've been rained on a few days here in the Caribbean, and I'm not loving it, so running there now. Yeah. So obviously Castries is a small city, just like the others in the Caribbean. On this side you've got a lot of government buildings, and the office of the Prime Minister is actually quite close from here as well, and of course the harbour where the ferries are. And then when you go that side, that's when you find like the general town. Hello, how much is this? $2. This here is a Castries market. You can find like greens, fruits, whatever you want, clothes as well, spices. And on the other side you've got like restaurants. The white ones. Just one.
Just one, you want?
Yeah, I only just want one.
Yeah, though.
Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. 20.
But yeah, you have to visit the market. They've got really fresh fruits. Started to rain now.
All right, yeah, just like getting
So the market directly opens to this busy part of the city. You're already in the main city right now, and there is so much activity, already people partying because it's a Friday and having a good time. But if you want to buy your souvenirs, there is the market extends all that side. Along the street there are a lot of people selling stuff, and yeah, this is Castries for you. Okay, so here is another small park with the first Prime Minister of St. Lucia. And here we have the Derek Walcott Square, which was named after Derek Walcott, who is St. Lucian's Nobel Peace Prize winner. He was a poet, and it's one of the landmarks here in the city. So he won his Nobel Prize for Literature, actually, not peace, and in 1992. He was a poet, a painter, and a playwright. Wow, that's quite impressive. And he has a square named after him, with all these surrounding buildings. And right in the middle of the square is the World War II Memorial, which commemorates the soldiers of St. Lucia who lost their lives in World War II. World War I actually, and World War II. 1914 to 1918, and the other one was 1939 to 45. One thing I've noticed is these old buildings, a lot of them in the city, right next to the new ones. So to use public transport, these are the ones, and they've got numbers, and you can see it's written Route 1A over there. So you have to find out where the side you're going to, where the buses stop. And yeah, this is my stop because I'm going to the north.